Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a story that's been making waves in a small Michigan town. Imagine this, you're in Lexington, Michigan, a quiet harbor town on Lake Huron. It's late November, the air is getting crisp, and most boats are already tucked away for the winter. But then, this appears on the horizon. This isn't your average houseboat. Meet Neverlanding, a massive, ramshackle vessel that looks like something straight out of a post-apocalyptic movie or maybe a real-life version of Peter Pan's Lost Boys hideout. It's an incredible sight, and it's been anchored just outside the Lexington State Harbor. Becoming an instant local legend, let's break down what we're looking at. This thing is a floating fortress of ingenuity. The base seems to be a large raft, and built on top is a two-story structure that looks like a rustic cabin. It's got everything you could possibly need for life on the water. On the front, there's a jet ski, or rubber dinghy, and what looks like a small rowboat or duck boat, all ready to go. The back seems to have at least one outboard motor, maybe more, powering this whole creation. And the details are just fantastic. Look closely at the roof. It's hard to tell for sure from the photos, but it looks like it could be covered in solar panels. That would make sense for someone living off-grid on the water. And perched on top, like silent guardians, are a couple of owl statues, watching over the harbor. It's these little touches that give Neverlanding so much character. The boat hails from Windsor, Ontario, just across the river from Detroit. So, how did it end up here in Lexington? That's the mystery everyone is trying to solve. The owner has become a bit of an enigma. Richard Laframboise, the owner of a local spot called the Windjammer Bar and Grill, mentioned it was possible the captain came in for a bite to eat one night, but nothing is confirmed. The captain is keeping a low profile, which only adds to the allure of this whole situation. Locals have been flocking to the harbor to get a glimpse of this unusual visitor. David Weichman, a Lexington resident, was down by the water checking out the salmon spawning when he, like many others, was captivated by Neverlanding. It's not every day you see something like this. It's a testament to creativity, self-sufficiency, and the dream of a different kind of life. Is it a work of art, a survivalist's dream home, a declaration of freedom from the norms of land-based life? Maybe it's all of the above. The name itself, Neverlanding, is so poetic. It suggests a journey with no end, a perpetual state of adventure. It has a name that conjures up images of Peter Pan and a life free from the constraints of growing up and settling down. This vessel is a conversation starter, that's for sure. It makes you wonder about the person or people behind it. What's their story? What kind of adventures have they had on this incredible craft? It's a reminder that the world is full of fascinating people doing things their own way, and sometimes, if you're lucky, their journey brings them right to your doorstep. What do you guys think of Neverlanding? Would you ever live on a boat like this? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. It's truly one of the most unique houseboats I've ever seen. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this story, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures. We'll see you in the next video.